Welcome to in the 10th day of the AJ90J challenge, and I hope everything going great from your side with honesty. If you don't know about this JavaScript challenge, then head over to the description box of this video or watch the first video of this channel, right? Anyways, here is the plan for today's, and let's get into the real adventure of JavaScript. First, today solve more question on a star pattern and test my 4-step formula to solve any star pattern. I'll tell you once I get the pen tablet device, right? So please wait couple of days. Then I complete everything about operators, operator precedence, associativity on GitHub. And let me tell you my friends, this is one of the most important fundamental topic in JavaScript. That's why I am telling you once again, right? Let's suppose we have an expression and we want a final result of this expression as a single value. So now JavaScript has two techniques to solve this expression. The first one is operator precedence and second one is associativity. Let's start with the first one, that is operator precedence. For example, there are multiple operators in a single expression but with the different precedence. Then JavaScript easily solves this expression, right? But in this example, there are two operators but with the same level of precedence. And this time JavaScript JavaScript uses the second technique to solve this expression, that is associativity, right? And in this technique JavaScript follows two directions to solve this expression. The first one is left to right and second one is right to left direction according to the operator. And finally we can easily see the output of this expression, right? For more information about this, see the MDN table. And finally, I read a blog on the setTimeout function in JavaScript. I'll tell you tomorrow. Then shoot and upload a video for you and went to the gym, and that's all. That was some challenge I faced on the 10th day of this challenge. Let me know what obstacles you challenge on this day.